Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the wedding reception program for Mr. and Mrs. Chu. Allow me to introduce to you myself. My name is host Paolo de Macula. This evening, my role as your wedding host is to share with you and to guide you on what will happen for the rest of this night. Sabay po tayo tumayo. Focus your attention at the center entrance door as we officially welcome our lovely newlyweds for tonight, Mr. and Mrs. Chu! Unang-una po, since this is the first of the marriage of our lovely couple, we will be doing the traditional wedding activities such as our wedding dances, our cake slicing, and our wine ceremonial toasting. 20 years ago, inabangan po ni Brian and Olive ang isa't isa. 20 years after, here they are celebrating a new chapter of their lives. Isa po ito sa pinakainabangan ni Brian at ni Olive sa buhay po nila. Kaya naman po, the reason why you are all invited for tonight's celebration is because para po kay Brian at kay Olive, kayo po yung mga tao na sumuporta at nagmamahal sa love story po nila. Nagagalak ko po na ngayong gabi kasama po natin ang protege ni Brian Chu bilang walang iba kundi si Spider-Man! 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 Ano ay kaya daw kumalon. Spider-Man, pakitaan mo naman kami ng talon mo. 3, 2, 1, go! Ang taas! Parang kulang po. Spider-Man parang masyadong mababa. Pwede bang galing sa taas ng stage? Yan. Tapos, pwede bang pagtalon mo una-uno? Ay, hindi. Okay. Yan, mas mataas. Good luck. Again, Spider-Man in 3, 2, 1, go! Ang taas talaga. Walang makarma po yan. Thank you so much, sir. Ayan. So, sir, pakibalik na po. Pakitakpan na po ulit ako. Maganda. Let me first acknowledge the presence of all our lovely and gorgeous guests for this night. Uli, kayo po yung mga malalapit sa buhay ni Brian at ni Olive. Lahat po naman nandito ay yung mga kaibigan, kamag-anak, mga co-collector ni Brian, at yung mga tao po na laging nandyan all throughout the years and married life of Brian and Olive. Your dance presentation number, palakpakan mo natin! The Boys Dance Presentation! Yeah! Free myself! Music! Dahang-dahang tinanggal ang kasuotan. At nagpa-cute sa audience. Galingan mo, Brian. Kung kunin ang garner, gamit ang iyong ngipin. Sisid. Pasok. Pumasok na po. Ayan na. Ayan na po. The garner retrieval with Brian and Olive. Ito ay? Kasi uy, binuksan ang pintuan, nakita si Janet. Dahang-dahang kumiling. Uy, sumayaw. Lumapit, lapit. Uy, okay.